This is yours. Oof. What's this? Ready? I don't want this to get. Come here, look.
What is that? What is that, actually?
It's an antler. It's an elk antler.
Okay.
Look at that! Okay, let's open this one now. Ready? Riley, this one now. Oh boy! Yeah, there you go. Oh, look, it's on this piece of cardboard. Need scissors. Maybe I don't.
What do you think, Riley?